Hey guys, welcome back to a quick form video. In today's video, we're talking Metro by PCS. I haven't made a video on the subject in a while, but let's talk about Metro Flex, guys. Pretty cool. And there's two things that's coming to Metro, or it's already there. Metro Flex, we'll talk about new plans and something new that's coming up that I think is very well worth it. But we'll see. Like I said, it's pretty cool. Let's get into it. Alright guys, so like I said, introducing Metro Flex. Free 5G phones when you join. Same great deals as new customers when you stay. So basically, this is trying to keep customers, because with prepaid, it's very, very volatile. I can, try them out. There's no contract. I can try them out for 6 months, 2 months, 1 month, and then dip out to another carrier. No problem. Of course, you won't be able to take your phone with you because it's locked with a carrier. But Metro right now is saying, hey, if you stick with us for 12 months, and you'll see that it is for 12 months, you can get the same deals as new customers, which is real good because everybody knows all the cell phone carriers, guys, all the deals are for new customers. Once you become a customer, the deals usually kind of suck because they're trying to entice you to become a new customer, and you usually get a really good deal. But most people will just switch to another carrier. So like I said, this is kind of pretty smart on them. So it says, just bring your number and ID to get started. After 12 months, get our best deals on select devices when you trade in your phone. So that's another little thing that you guys have to kind of read the little fine print. So you will have to trade in your old phone. So after 1 year of having your phone, you will have to trade in, and I'm almost 100% sure it has to be in good condition. But like I said, it doesn't really say. It just says bring your phone to trade in. But usually with this kind of stuff, they want you to trade in your old phone. There's of course a video there, but here's the really easy steps. So first, you'll get a free 5G phone. Choose the brands you want, like Samsung, Motorola, Revel, and more. You're going to choose a plan, so it's a sign up for one of our feature pack Metro Flex plans and get benefits like Prime and more. And then number 3, stay for great deals. Once you join Metro, you'll get the same great deals as new customers on select devices as early as every 12 months when you trade in your phone. So like I said, there's no speculation of if the phone is in good condition or not just yet, I guess. But yeah, it says, hey, you'll get the same deals on select devices. So maybe, like I said, maybe you have to read into this. Maybe you won't get all the same deals as new customers, but it says on select devices. So who knows? So here's now introducing Metro Flex. So there's 3 plans now, guys. The plans did get changed. So these are basically new plans. So Metro Flex start $50 a month or $55 without auto pay for first. Or it says with auto pay $55 for the first month. So $50, and then auto pay is $55. Without auto pay is $55. So this plan includes 8 gigabytes of hotspot, 100 gigs of Google One membership, and 1 year of VIX premium membership on us. So pretty cool. And then you will get, so I see how they're doing it. So now you will get select. So basically, the phones that you get, guys, for free or a discount will depend on the plan. So I see what they're trying to do there. So if you get with the cheapest plan, you can get a Revel 7 5G for free. The 50XL 5G for free, or the Moto G 5G 2024 for free. Now, if you bump up to the middle plan, the Metro Flex up $60 a month or $65 for the first month. It's 25 gigs of hotspot, which is actually pretty good. 100 gigs of Google One membership, 1 year of VIX premium subscription, unlimited texting to 210 plus countries and destinations. But then the choices of the phones as well changes. So you can get the Samsung Galaxy A15 5G for free, the Moto G Power 2024 for free, or you can get a G310 5G. It's a Nokia phone because I don't know why you would get that. It'd be definitely between one of these two for sure. But if you go up $10 more or $20 from the cheapest plan, you can get the Metro Flex Plus. And as you can see, this includes Prime, guys. So Prime is about $15 a month. So if you think about it, I don't even know if it would be worth it. Maybe it was cheaper here, but generally, you have to go up $20 to save really $14, because I think Prime is $14 or $15. But I see what they're doing. Basically, they're saying it's free. So for $70 or $75 for the first month, guys, you can get the Metro Flex Plus, which includes everything on the Metro Flex up plus Amazon Prime. So you get free 2-day shipping. So it's basically the same thing you're getting on the Plus, but you're paying, I guess you're saving $5. You'll get Prime. So technically, instead of paying $14, for $10 more, you can get Prime, which I guess, I don't know. You get everything here, but technically would have cost you $74 or $75, but technically you get it for $70. So okay, I see what they're doing there. But then you can get an iPhone 12 with 5G for $100, guys. The Moto Razr 2023 for $100, or the Galaxy A35. I mean, why the heck would you get this thing? At this rate, might get one of these two. I'll probably get the iPhone 12 for $100. But not bad at all, actually. So of course, these are some of the benefits that you get. You can choose some of the phones. Of course, you can get also Prime. You can also get free stuff and great deals from brands you love with their T-Mobile Tuesday deals, which is pretty cool. You can get, if T-Mobile home internet works in your area, you could get it. Look at that. So customers may notice lower speeds if using more than 1.2 terabytes per month due to data prioritization. Wow. Before it was unlimited, and now it's not. Maybe it's another video. We'll check more about that. But then 1 year of subscription to VIX Premium, which is kind of a Latino subscription. I'm not even sure what that is. So yeah, pretty cool, guys. Let me know in the comments below what you think. Please comment, rate, subscribe. More videos coming your way. And yeah, well, what do you think? I mean, I get it if you want to save, $5-10 or $4 or $5. Then Metro, the Plus plan, the Flex Plus plan would be definitely the one to go with, because everybody uses Amazon Prime. So you get better deals on phones. So you get everything that the Plus has. Everything that Up One has for the Plus. Got a lot of talking there. So yeah, thank you for watching, guys. Please comment, subscribe. Let me really actually know what you think. And also, I don't know if you knew, but pretty cool. So, oh, look at this. That's another thing. Before I finish this video, if you stay, it says you're in control of trading your phone every 1, 2, or 3 years. So it says the longer you stay, the more treasure you have. With Metro Flex, you'll always get the same great deals as new customers select devices. So if you keep it for 1 year, you can get one of these phones. 2 years, get the Samsungs. And then 3 years, Apple. Wow. But of course, it's probably going to be like I said, one of these lower end phones. You're not going to get like the 15 or something like that, But pretty cool, guys. So yeah, let me know in the comments below what you think. Please comment, subscribe, more videos coming your way. So pretty cool, actually, with what Metro's doing, So shout out to them.